welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. As you see, we have some marine fragrances we want to talk about and some aquatic fragrances we want to talk about. So let's get into some of my favorite marine and aquatic fragrances for the summer that I like to dip and dabble in. So first up, I have from Finery. This is kind of an easy reach, grab and go, but we have a Before the Rainbow, okay? So this is definitely a salty marine type of fragrance. We also have oak moss in this, and there's also bergamot in this. So I love that scent profile, right? It gives me very ocean, very marine-like, very blue, as the bottle is, right? It gives me very, like, for a tropical setting, right? For a beach, for a pool party, that type of thing. I love this down, and I love that this is also affordable. Now, this is in Target. I haven't been there in quite a while, but this is still a great fragrance, a goer, one that I enjoy wearing. I enjoy wearing even at the gym. This is so good. It's so simplistic, but it gives you this fresh feel that you need. I feel like maybe I need for the summer season. Next up, I can't leave out one of my favorite fragrances that has a pear note, a molecule note. It definitely gives me aquatic and fresh at the same time, and mixed with pear. You can't beat it by a long shot, okay? Argue with somebody else. Well, that is Juliet Has a Gun. This is pear ink. I love this down. If you like a good pear must scent, this is one to have for this season. It just makes me smell so clean with also a fresh pear note in it. It's so good. I absolutely adore this. Highly would recommend you get your nose on Juliet Has a Gun. I feel like this is a unisex fragrance. So I also feel like men, brothers, uncles, cousins, male cousins out there, I feel like you also can get your nose and your hands on this and do a little smoothing, okay, for the summer. This is definitely a beautiful, fresh scent. I would highly recommend Juliet Has a Gun Pear Ink for this season. Definitely an aquatic flair for the summer. Next up, another aquatic, fresh, powdery scent. More on the linen side of the fresh scent. I'm talking about none other from the Bath and the Body Works, okay? This is Saltwater Breeze, okay? This, I have the body spray. I also have the perfume to this. I love this down. I cannot say 100 times. I love a good salt note, and this is like aquatic salt freshness. This is like, everyday, easy reach, gym, I don't care, party. Like, this is foundation. Like, I would wear this on top of everything, okay? If I have a vanilla fragrance and I want to throw on an aquatic salty note, I would throw this on. This is so good. It's so fresh. I love it. I love the linen fresh in this, right? Because you can just put this all over your clothes, and it's like you just got your laundry done. It's so good. It's not soapy at all. It really gives a little more depth than that. Now, this is not something that there's no profile you've never seen before, but it is so good, well deserving for you to wear during the summer while you're sweating and sticky maybe. This is something fresh that you will smell good for a little while. You'll definitely have to re-up on this, okay? So it won't last a lifetime and a life day or a all day. That's what I'm trying to say. It won't last all day for you, but it is still a fresh, beautiful fragrance that I would absolutely recommend you get your nose, or you get your coins, or you add to your collection, because this is a need for the summer. Rolling with the homies, rolling with the homies. Okay, I love this fragrance. This is my homie. Okay, this is the homie. This is Ocean de Goya from Giorgio Armani. This is so good. Salty note, check. Pear, check. Aquatic, check, check, and check. So that you all know, like, this is straight up in my alley. This is everything I want an aquatic note to be. So good. Salty note, pear. You just can't get any better than that. This is so good. This is classic. Classy for me. This is ocean. This is beach day. This is yacht day. Like, all white party. This is so good for this season, and it's not cloying, it's not heavy, it's soft, it's fresh, it's everything that I want for this summer and that I want to be or smell like for this summer. Okay, compliments galore. You smell fresh, you smell clean. You can't get a better compliment than that. Smelling clean, girl. Scrub a dub 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 dub. This is so good. Highly would recommend you get this in your collection if you don't have it. But if you have it, pull that thing out for the summer. You know you want to smell aquatic and fresh and get all the compliments everywhere you go. Okay, moving on. And last but certainly not least, we have an aquatic marine citrus fragrance that I feel like we don't talk a lot about anymore. She used to be very popular, but they have stepped it up on a step up, and there's so many other fragrances that she has got left behind. But I'm gonna talk about her on this channel in this lineup for sure. And I have to say, Matte Turquatic is chef's kiss. I love this, okay? When you talk about a citrus fragrance, you don't always capture me, okay? It's not always a thing for my life. We talk about citrus, we talk about a lotus note, or we talk about aquatic, kind of a watery note, then you probably have my attention. I'm like, attention. And that is what Turquatic brings, okay, and delivers to your body once you spray, spray, and spray. Now, you can spray very generously, okay, all over your body, okay, so you can get the true essence on what this needs to do. But this is a great pairing, right? If you like a citrus flair, like a watery note, but you're looking for something else, maybe you want to pair it with something, this is a great pair. She rose with you, okay? She complements so many different fragrances in my collection, from vanilla to gourmand to citrus. You can pair her with the masses if you're looking for a watery note to add to your kind of sprays for the day or your scent of the day, all right? Whatever your wardrobe needs to be for that day, she is a goer, I promise. This is one to get, a classic, but we don't talk about her much, but I'm going to talk about her. She is still good. I love her down. This is Matte Turquatic. Had to be on this lineup for an aquatic marine fragrance. Well, that's all. That's all, family, for my marine and aquatic fragrances for the summer. What are some of your favorite marine and aquatic fragrances? I would love to know what are some of your picks, okay? Make sure you comment down below. Make sure you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. I would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye.